What the? You. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be going over koalas, kangaroos, penguins, and I don't even know what this is. It's like a really weird bird, but it looks pretty freaking epic. Like, it looks like a dinosaur. Like, when I saw it, I was like, Mom, Dad, what is that thing? And then my dad was like, I really don't know. I really don't know, son. Okay, parents. I'm sorry for bothering you. It's okay, son. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys at the end of the video. Woo! With our first contender, we have koalas. Yes. Woo. Oh no, they're too cute! Ah! This is like Terminator, everything too cute! Ah! With our next contender, we have penguins! And don't forget to pose for the picture! Okay, these little guys are beautiful. They're so cute. He's right there. But be sure to be warned, because sometimes they can be too cute.
He doesn't have a wing.
Yeah, that's a thing. Now.
Fight through it. I got this.
He's the one who doesn't have a wing.
Oh, looks like one has a baby.
Up next, we have the animal that everybody knows about for some reason that nobody may know. The kangaroos. Bum, bum, bum. Wah, wah, the kangaroos. Everybody shall bow down to the kangaroo. I'm a survivalist expert from Australia named Bill Cosby or something, and I say that kangaroos have
there's another one up here.
And strange. They, I don't know. But up next we have more nature clips with Bodie, Bill Cosby of baby kangaroos. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. See, they eat and also a weird way. They hop like kangaroos. It's just kind of weird because they're kangaroos. It's just weird, okay? Now leave me alone. And that has been the end of Nature Clips with Bodie. Goodbye. Well, on this NBC channel that nobody likes. The next nature clip,
That is like
that's
like the
with
coolest
Bodie
bird ever.
is about the weirdest dinosaur looking thingy majigger ever in Australia. That you can only probably find in Australia.
It's a cool
that nobody knows, and everybody's going to be blasting about in the comments and being like, what the heck is that thing? But guys, let's look at these dumb snakes that nobody likes. Oh, they're just stupid green snakes. Like, if you can't see them, then you're blind, because they're
like
green snakes.
Cool bird. It's like a dinosaur.
Easy to spot out. Now, let's skip past these dumb lizards. Okay, now we are back with Bill Cosby, nature guy, in Australia with the rockhead bird that looks like a freaking dinosaur that nobody knows about. And this is quite beautiful. He's itching himself.
I think he's trying to itch himself.
He's itchy. Quite beautiful. He's going.
Is that how you say hello?
Quack, quack.
Bird language.
I like to quack.
Hello. Say hello.
but he keeps following my sister, and I probably know what he's thinking. He's probably been like, hey, I like what I say, Hey, I like what I say. She's beautiful. And he's like, I'm walking away because she's walking away, so see you, suckers. Bye. And these are my nature clips producers. I introduce to you the kangaroos, the older guys that like to just sit there and sleep all day long. Not this again. Well, I will see you guys in the next video with Bill Cosby nature clips. Yes. Well, I hope you all enjoyed kangaroos, the weirdest bird on the planet, penguins, and I can't even, koalas, that's their name. And I actually had a lot of fun there. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want me to make a part 2 of this and show you other animals that were in Australia, in the zoos and stuff, then just tell me in the comment section below. And make sure to leave a thumbs up, because that really helps me out. And it shows that other people, that we're amazing, all around amazing. Because everybody out there is amazing. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We are at 22 subscribers. Thank you, RA Games, for subscribing to me. Also, guys, before I leave, I just need to tell you guys, if you subscribe, tell me in the comment section below and I can give you a shout out in the next video. Yeah! And I will see you guys in the next video.